Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Power BI with Azure Synapse for Analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Power BI with Azure Synapse for Analytics, start by ensuring you have the necessary subscriptions for both Power BI and Azure Synapse. Next, log in to your Azure portal. Create a new Azure Synapse workspace by navigating to the Create a Resource section. Select Analytics, then choose Azure Synapse Analytics. Enter the required details such as workspace name, subscription, resource group, and region. Review and validate your selections, then click Create to deploy the workspace. Once the workspace is ready, open it from the Azure portal. In the Synapse workspace, navigate to the Data section on the left menu. Add a new linked service and choose the data source you want to work with, like SQL database or blob storage. Fill in the connection details for your data source, ensuring that you have proper access permissions. Test the connection to confirm that it's working correctly, then click Create to finalize the linked service. Now, go to the Integrate section within your Azure Synapse workspace. Here, you can create a new data pipeline if needed. After setting up your pipeline and data flows, run the pipeline to ingest data into your Synapse SQL pool. Once the data is available, head to the Explore section. Select your SQL pool and click on New SQL Script to run queries against your data. Validate that the data is correct and performing as expected. Now you can open Power BI Desktop on your local machine. In Power BI Desktop, select Get Data and then choose Azure Synapse Analytics. Enter the server name and database name for your Synapse SQL pool. Authenticate using the appropriate credentials to establish the connection. Once connected, you can choose the tables or views you'd like to import into Power BI. Transform and model the data as necessary using Power BI's features. Now create your visualizations by dragging fields onto your report canvas. To share your reports, publish them to the Power BI service. Go back to the Azure portal and monitor your Synapse workspace for performance and analytics. Regularly optimize your data models and queries to ensure efficient reporting. Lastly, keep your data refreshed by scheduling updates in Power BI service as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.